Want to learn Java? From where to start? First thing first, let's set up the Java input. Then how to do that? Don't think too much. Just copy the URL from the description below and you will get all the steps to configure JDK versions as per your choice. Check the steps and start implementation. Step 1. Copy URL and use it in another tab and go down. You will see filter where you may select your required Java version, operating system and architecture type, etc. In our case, I am downloading JDK 8 for 64-bit Windows system. You may download .msi file or .zip file. .msi file is for direct installation, but I will prefer .zip file. So I'm downloading .zip. Just wait for some time to download the file. And this is how we completed second step. As a part of third step, we have to copy the zip file and put it wherever you may want to install JDK. Just unzip it, go inside home directory path as shown in the video and copy that part. Once you copy home directory path, you need to open environment variable setup from the settings. You can check there are two types of variable setup. One is for user level and second other one is for system level variable setup. Now we are changing system variables. Set up first variable Java home for Java home directory. First check Java home is present or not. If present, then replace it, and if not, then you can simply add it. Use variable name Java home and value should be the path which is copied, which is home directory path. Now we have to set up path variable. Usually path variable is already present in system variables, but for user variables we have to add the new. Anyway, in our case, path variable is already there and we have to edit it. For that, we have to use bin directory path very next folder to home directory. Just add this directory path to path variable. That's it. We completed the fifth step. Now go to command prompt and we have to just check Java -version. Once we click enter, automatically we will get configured Java 1.8 in our system, and that's it. We completed configuration and setup of environment in our Windows system. Thank you.